This is Sandy Rose. I want to bring a happy birthday to Renren. Happy birthday! I love you!
Renren, happy 18th birthday. This is Benjamin Alves. May God bless you. Take care. Sana makuha mo lahat ng wishes mo for your birthday. And I hope I see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello Renren, happy 18th birthday. And may you have many more birthdays to come and many more boyfriends to come. Sabi ko lang yun, pero don't be here. But may you have many more birthdays to come and take care of yourself. I hope to meet you in person someday. Ha? Enjoy your evening, enjoy your night, girl. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Renren! Happy 18th birthday. Ako, dalata ka na. Pwede naman mag-boyfriend. Wag muna. Aral ka muna. Stay pretty and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Renren.
Hello to Renren. Happy birthday. On behalf of our group, Jeremiah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday.
Hi Renren, happy birthday sa'yo at sana maging masaya ka at enjoy mo ang ano ba sabihin nito? Pagbunga ng iyong bulaklak, so to speak. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Sana parati ka nakapanood ng mga shows namin. Happy birthday. Sigurado na magiging masaya.
Happy 18th birthday, Rina Rix! We love you from Happy.
Happy 18th birthday, Renren. All the very best to you. Have a happy life. Stay happy and good luck sa lahat ng gagawin. I hope that very happy. God bless you.
Happy 18th birthday, Renren. I-enjoy mo ang debut mo, you're 18. At sana maging happy ka lagi and may God bless you. At I'm sure, ang susutin mo ay talagang bonggang-bongga. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo, Renren. More birthday to come. God bless, mag-ingat ka. And study hard and see you soon. God bless. Yun. Ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday.
Renren! Diyos ko, parang nung araw lang, kakaliitin mo, naglalakad-lakad, ngayon iitin ka na. Padadala ko na yung mga roses dyan, natatouch ako eh, kaya hindi ko na makayanan. Happy birthday, I love you.
Hi Renren! Happy birthday! Hindi man tayo masyado close. Ang feeling ko, magiging close tayo pag pinapunta mo at bibigyan mo ako ng mga giveaways. Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Alam ko, mahal ka ng papa mo. Nag-iisa. Love you. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hi, Renren! Si Kenneth ito nang walang hanggan. Ako ay nakarating sa akin na noon. Nabasa ko dun sa CNN, dun sa ilalim, na birthday mo daw, ang tibo mo pa. Kaya happy 18th birthday. At sana huwag ka muna magpo-boyfriend, tapusin mo muna pag-aaral mo, dahil alam mo na, ha? Ang love life makakapaghintay, pero opportunities, hindi. Kaya alagaan mo yan at yung mga magulang mo ay lagi mong babalikan at lagi mong iisipin kung gaano kahirap na ikaw ay taguyod nila hanggang sa ikaw ay maging 18, hanggang sa ikaw ay magkaroon na ng stable job at alam ko matutuwa sila kapag sinunod mo sila, ha? At sunodin mo rin ako dahil ako ay isang magulang din, kaya sinasabi ko yan sa'yo, ha? Kaya happy birthday at ang mga lalaki ay nandyan lang sa paligid, ha? Pero kailangan magkaroon ka ng sarili trabaho para hindi ka nila pagmalakihan, okay? Happy birthday at sana umabot ka ng 100.
Renren, happy 18th birthday. 18 ka na, pero mag-boyfriend. Mami, daddy, tayo niyo siya, ha? Biro lang. Renren, I wish you a happy birthday. I wish you enjoy sa debut mo. At God bless and enjoy na. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Renren. Happy birthday, Renren. God bless you po.
Hello, Renren. Happy birthday sa'yo at ingat ka.
Hi
years now, you're like, what? You can do anything you want. You're 18. So I wish you a happy birthday and God bless you. Wow.
Hi Renren, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your debut. God bless always. And may you have more blessings to come. Salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa akin and much love.
Happy birthday, Renren. It's your 18th birthday. Have a good one.
Hi Renren, happy birthday. Bakit hindi kami invited sa debut mo? Punta sana kami. Anyway, today's your special day, so I just want to wish you happy birthday. I hope that you're having a blast today. And good luck sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, sa pag-aaral mo. I assume school ka pa. And whatever you wish to pursue afterwards, I wish you all the best. So, hope to meet you soon. Bye!
Hi Ren, happy birthday to you. 18 ka na, ibig sabihin nun, pwede na. May kanta ako para sa'yo. Ren, Ren, don't go away. We always love you every day, all the way. Happy birthday, Ren.
Hi, Renren! Happy birthday to you! You're a big girl na. Happy debut!
Hi, Renren! Balita ko na debut mo sa August 26. So, ka-birthday mo yung sister ko. Yan. Ibig sabihin nun, para tayong magkapatid. O, di ba? Inechos talaga, no? Anyway, God bless you and may God give you all the desires of your heart as you seek Him more. So, thank you! Happy birthday!
Hi, Renren! Happy 18th birthday to you. So, debut mo na pala and I just wish you all the best in life. I wish you good health and sana maging successful ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo in the future life. And God bless you always and your family. So, sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. And happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Renren. Stay beautiful and may God bless you.
Hi, Renren! Si Empress. Happy 18th birthday. Dalaga ka na. Sana may enjoy mo ngayong pagiging dalaga. Happy birthday! Hi, Renren! Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life. Take care always and God bless. Hello, Renren! Happy birthday. This is Rachel and I hope to see you soon. God bless you and enjoy your special day. Bye! Hi, Renren! Happy 18th birthday sa'yo and sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo. Bless you!
Happy birthday, Renren. Balita ko debut mo today, so I want to wish you all the best and may you enjoy your birthday party.
Hi Renren, may nakapagsabi sa akin na birthday mo daw, kaya binabati kita ng happy 18th birthday. Ayan, sana happy ka ngayon sa birthday mo. At pwede ka naman boyfriend, happy birthday.
Hello! Hi, Renren! Happy 18th birthday! Sana lahat ng mga dreams mo matupad at tatandaan mo ng parati kasama mo at given mo sa mga
Hi Renren, happy 18th birthday and you're now a lady and I hope you enjoy your life. You stay in school.
Hey, what's up, Ren? Happy 18th birthday to you. I hope you're enjoying your day today, your debut with your family and your friends. Always take care. God bless.
Hi Renren, this is Alger. I just want to greet you a happy 18th birthday. Sana marami pang, syempre, debut mo yan. And sana may enjoy mo yan. And more birthdays to come. So, mga blessings. And hopefully, isa sa mga birthdays na darating mo, maimbitahan mo. So, God bless. Hi Renren, happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day. God bless you always.